Hi students, how are you? In our last class sets, everyone should completed the sets. If you are not completing, please complete that, and if you have any doubt, please contact me. And today we are going to the new topic, that is polynomials. This topic already we learned in the 9th class. What is the polynomial? An algebraic expression containing non-negative integral powers. An algebraic expression containing non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. And degree, what is the degree? For example, I am taking a polynomial x plus 1. What is the degree? The highest power of a variable in a term. Now in this case the degree of the polynomial is 1. Now I am taking one more, x square plus 2x plus 1. This degree is 2. Why? Because the term degree is 2 here. If the term degree is 1, in this term degree is 0. The highest power is 2. Therefore the degree of x square plus 2x plus 1 is 2. Now this is called the quadratic polynomial. Now we are going the standard form of the polynomial. What is the standard form of the polynomial? a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus and so on plus an is called the standard form of a polynomial. Standard form of a polynomial. a1, a2, a3, a0, an, those all are the real numbers, and x is the variable. X is the variable. This is the standard form of a polynomial of degree n. Of degree n, where a0 is not equal to 0. If a0 is equal to 0, then the degree is n minus 1, like that. Now types. What are the types of polynomial? We know already in 9th classes. Types from degree, based on degree, and also terms, based on terms, based on degree. If the degree is 0, constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. If the degree is 1, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 3, cubic polynomial, and so on, biquadratic polynomial, like that. These are the types of polynomials based on degree. Now based on terms. If a polynomial have only one term, number of terms is 1, is called the monomial. Monomial. If the number of terms is 2, binomial. If the number of terms is 3, trinomial, and so on. These are the types based on terms. Now these all are we learned in the 9th class. Now we are going to the values. We know two types of polynomials. One is 0 polynomial and 0 of a polynomial. What is the difference of 0 polynomial and 0 of a polynomial? Now I am taking a polynomial a1x square plus b1x plus c1, where a1 is equal to b1 is equal to c1 is equal to 0. The coefficients of all these are equal to 0, then the polynomial is called the 0 polynomial. That means a1 0, 0 into x square plus b1 0, 0 into x plus 0. Then this total polynomial value is 0. 0 polynomial degree can't find. Now we are going to the 0 of a polynomial or value of a polynomial. If you take a polynomial x plus 1 is a polynomial, what is the 0 of a polynomial? The whole polynomial is equal to 0. That means the value of this polynomial is x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. If you take one more polynomial 2x plus 1, the 0 of a polynomial 2x plus 1 is 2x plus 1 equal to 0. That means 2x is equal to minus 1. 2x is equal to minus 1. That means x is equal to minus 1 by 2. These are the values or 0 of a polynomial. Now we are seeing in the first exercise 0 of a polynomials. Once see the problems, do this page number 49. Yeah. Now do this page number 49. Once see here, do these problems. Page number 49. P of x is equal to, the polynomial P of x is equal to x square minus 5x minus 6 is a polynomial. Now find the value of P of 1. In the place of x you have to substitute 1, just substitute 1. X square means 1 square minus 5x, 5 into 1 minus 6. Now 1 square 1 minus 5 into 1, 5 minus 6. 1 minus 5 minus 4 minus 6 minus 10. Now the value of P of x at x equal to 1 is minus 10. Similarly you can take P of 2. P of 2. Same polynomial x square minus 5x minus 6, but the value is, x value is 2. Now substitute 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 6. 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 6 is equal to 2 square, 4 minus 5 2s, 10 minus 6. 4 minus 10 minus 6 minus 6 minus 12. Similarly you can find P of 3, P of 0 and so on. And in this, do this, we have second problem. P of m. Now the variable is m square minus 3m plus 1. The polynomial is m square minus 3m plus 1. Find the value of P of 1 and also P of minus 1. Now see here, at place of m you can substitute 1 and at place of m you can substitute minus m. 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1. 1 square value 1 minus 3 plus 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Now P of 1 is minus 1. Similarly P of minus 2, see here, m square minus 1 square minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 square plus 1 minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1 it is 5. That means P of 1 value is minus 1, P of minus 1 value is plus 5. These are the values of m square minus 3m plus 1 polynomial. Now we are going next problem. Page number 50, exercise 3.1. Page number 50, exercise 3.1. If P of x is equal to, first problem, first Roman. P of x, polynomial P of x is equal to 5x square minus, 5x to the power of 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. This is a given polynomial. Now the questions, first question, coefficient of x power 5. This is the x power 5. What is the coefficient? This is the coefficient. That means the coefficient of x power 5 is minus 6. The coefficient of x power 5 is minus 6. And the second question, degree of P of x, the total polynomial degree. Now if you observe the highest power, in this case it is 7, in this case it is 5, it is 1, it is 0. Now what is the highest power? 7, 5, 1, 0. What is the highest? 7. Therefore the degree is 7. The degree of the given polynomial is 7. Now we are going to the third and last, constant term. What is the constant term? In the term there is no x. Once observe here. In this case we have x, but minus 6 doesn't have any x. Therefore minus 6 is the constant term of the given polynomial. Now we are going to the second. Write 3 more polynomials and create 3 questions for each of them. Now you have to create one more problem. For example, I am taking x cube plus 3x square plus 7x plus 1 is a polynomial. From this polynomial you have to create questions. For example, what is the constant term in this given polynomial? How many terms are there in this polynomial? What is the coefficient of x? What is the degree of this given polynomial? Like this you have to create some more questions from this. Now I am going to second Roman. State which of the following statements are true and which are the false. Give your choice. Give the reason for your choice. The degree of the polynomial root 2x square, second Roman problems, degree root 2x square plus minus 3x plus 1. What is the degree in this case? 2 is the degree. What about root 2? Root 2 is the coefficient of x square. But in the question, root 2 is the degree of given polynomial. It is false. The given statement is false because root 2 is the coefficient of x square. The degree of polynomial is 2. Now we are going to the second one. The coefficient of x square in the given polynomial p of x is equal to, the given polynomial is 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7. What is the coefficient of x square? Once observe here, what is the coefficient of x square? Minus 4. But in our textbook given 2. What is the 2? Degree of, not degree, 2. Minus 4 is the coefficient of x square. Therefore, the given statement is false. Now we are going to the third one. The degree of constant term is, constant term degree is always 0. The degree of constant term is 0. That means the given statement is true. Now one more polynomial, fourth question is given 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. Is it quadratic polynomial? If you observe the denominator, it is a quadratic polynomial, but the polynomial doesn't lies in the denominator, therefore it is not a polynomial. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is not a polynomial. If it is polynomial, afterwards we can say what is the type of polynomial, but it is not a polynomial. Why? Because what is the definition of the polynomial? An algebraic expression containing non-negative integral power. But in this case, the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6 whole to the power of minus 1, this is negative. Non-negative aithe that is polynomial, but here it is negative, then it is not a polynomial. Now we are going to the fifth problem. The degree of a polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it. Number of terms is not depending upon the third Roman. Now what is the third Roman? P of t is equal to 2t cube minus 1. Find the value of p of 1, p of minus 1, like that. We know already, you can do that. Now we are going to the fourth problem. Check whether minus 2 and plus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Polynomial is given x power 4 minus 16. Check minus 2 and plus 2 are the zeros or not. I will check like this. P of minus 2. If it is a 0 of the polynomial, the remainder must be 0. Substitute minus 2 power 4 minus 16. Minus 2 power 4, it is even, then negative will be positive. 2 power 4 value is 16 minus 16, then the remainder is 0. Therefore, minus 2 is 0 of given polynomial. Now one more term, that is 2. Substitute again same, 2 power 4 minus 16. 2 power 4 value is 16 minus 16. Then we get the remainder 0. Therefore, 2 is also 2 is also 0 of the given polynomial. Now in this last problem, fifth problem, check whether 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. 3 and minus 2 are zeros or not? We have to check. I am substituting 3 square minus 3 minus 6. At the place of x I am substituting 3. 3 square 9 minus 3 minus 6. 9 minus 3 6, 6 minus 6 0. Therefore 3 is 0 of polynomial p of x, and I will checking minus 2. Minus 2 square minus of minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 square it is plus 4, minus into minus plus 2 minus 6. 4 plus 2 6 minus 6 0. In this case also the remainder is 0. Therefore minus 2 is also 0 of the given polynomial. Now you can write like this also. X square minus x minus 6 equal to x minus 3 into x plus 2. Now x minus 3 and x plus 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial x square minus x minus 6. Now exercise 1 is completed successfully. One time you also try to do these all problems. If you have any doubts, if you arise any doubts when you are doing, you can ask me. Thank you.